chapter from your geography portion, that is Earth in the solar system, right? So in this chapter we're going to study about how planets has been evolved out, or sorry, our universe has been evolved out, okay? And then we're going to study about the different constituents of the universe, then different constituents of the solar system, then we're going to study about what makes our Earth as a unique planet, right? So let me give you a short information about Earth. So Earth is a planet which is revolving all around the sun, and it takes 365.14 days to complete one revolution, right? So now let's talk about the universe. So universe, it covers a vast space, okay? It covers a huge space, and in this universe exist like sun, the moon, the stars, asteroids, meteoroids, etc., right? And this universe was not been formed yesterday, right? It was not been evolved yesterday. It took some millions and millions years to come into existence, okay? So plus what, it is also believed, okay, some of the scientists believe that millions and millions of years ago there was a big explosion, and due to the big explosion, all the particles was been scattered, okay, in this space, and slowly this small particles started to collide or come into were compressed, okay, come into existence, okay, and slowly they form a sun, then form a planets, then form a meteors, etc., okay, and finally the universe was been formed. And this theory was known as a Big Bang theory, right? So now next is about the stars, okay? Stars, everyone has seen the stars, isn't it? It's tiny particles twinkling at the night, isn't it? So but actually it is a tiny particle? No, okay, actually it is a hot gases which is revolving around the universe, okay? And this stars, okay, it has its own heat and light, and it also act as a source for the other planets, okay, as for the lights, okay? So that is about the stars. So now next is about the constellation. So constellation is also like a stars only, okay? So constellation is a group of stars, okay, that forms a various pattern. So everyone has seen the constellation. If you haven't seen, so please refer the book out here, okay? Here is a picture in your book. You can see this is the constellation, okay? This is a constellation which is forming a different kind of patterns in the sky, okay? So some of the important constellations are like your Ursa Major, Big Dipper, Great Bear, etc., okay? And Ursa Major is also called as Saptarishi in our India, okay? And now there are two stars at the end of the constellation, okay, and are called as